All right, we're testing. Change the equalizer drive. Knocked it down. Trying to get rid of some ghost audio, some leak back. I'm going to see if we can get rid of that. And okay, so here's 70, and we're going to run it up to 400, and we're looking for some leak back, and we're checking our audio levels. Everything is pretty close to being okay, and we'll go back to 70, and this is with a 6 dB of Behringer boost, and this is with 12 dB of Behringer boost, and we'll go back to 6 dB, and then one more time we'll go to the 400 cut. This is 12 dB Behringer boost, and this is 12 dB Behringer boost. Okay, end of test.